different Aisha shit, but we more like
Hey curl friends, it's your girl Ngazi, aka Be Curlful with Me, and today I'm going to show you how I achieve this beautiful wet look. So let's start. So what you'll need is the Carol's Daughter Rhassoul Clay Shampoo, Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Treatment Mask. It's natural honey almond styling foam by Influence, wet line extreme gel, a rat tail comb, duck clips, clamp clips, and an optional Denman brush or hard bristle brush.
everything was mine is yours.
So here I am shampooing my hair with the Carol's Daughter Rhassoul Clay shampoo, and it lathers up very well.
Whose feelings that you hurting and bruising? You gon' gain the whole world, but is it worth the girl that you losing? Be careful with me. Yeah, it's not a threat, it's a warning. Be careful with me. Yeah, my heart is like a package with a fragile label on it. Be careful with me. Care for me. Always say that you'll be there for me, there.
So here you'll be sectioning your hair off with the clamp clips. I forgot to mention earlier that you'll need a spray bottle with water. You want to make sure your hair is really wet. The wetter the hair, the better the outcome of the style. Next, you'll apply your style foam, and a little goes a long way. Be sure to rake it through your hair. Pay close attention to the roots of your hair and the ends. And as you rake it through your hair, you'll see your curls become more defined. You can also use a denim brush for this part, but I decided not to. Next, you'll be adding your wet line extreme gel to your hair. You'll also want to rake that through as well.
I gave you everything was mine is yours. I want you to live your life, of course, but I hope you get what you're dying for. Be careful with me. Do you know what you're doing? Whose feelings that you hurting and bruising? You gon' gain the whole world, but is it worth the girl that you losing? Be careful with me. Yeah, it's not a threat, it's a warning. Be careful with me. Yeah, my heart is like a package with a fragile label on it. Be careful with me. Yeah. Careful.
Now here you're going to hold your hair down with the duck clips, and then you can either let it air dry or sit under the dryer.
But we more like Belly, Tommy, and Keisha shit. Gave you TLC, you wanna creep and shit. Poured out my
Hey
whole
girlfriend, so it is the next day. My hair is completely dry, and this is the result. So I'll let you see this side. I didn't have to add any more product to it. Let me show you the back. Completely dry, but
me to you a few times. But if I did decide to slide, find a nigga, fuck him, suck his dick. You